Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever found your TradingView charts looking a little overcrowded with all those extra lines and notes, or maybe you want a clean slate for a fresh analysis, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through step by step how to quickly hide and unhide your drawings in TradingView. By the end, you'll know exactly how to clear up your workspace with just a few simple clicks whenever you need it. So let's get started. First things first, let's head over to TradingView. If you don't already have the site open, just type in TradingView in your browser and log into your account. TradingView is a powerful charting platform, and one of the things that makes it really useful is the wide range of drawing tools it offers. Whether you're marking up trend lines, support and resistance zones, or adding personal notes, drawings can help bring your analysis to life. But of course, they can also make your chart messy if there are too many. That's what we're here to fix today. Now that we're on TradingView, look for the Products button. You'll find this right at the top of the page. Give it a click and from there choose the charting tool or chart type you want to work with. This opens up your workspace, your main chart where you probably already have some drawings or where you'll add them. Next, go ahead and add a few drawings if you'd like to follow along. Maybe try drawing a trend line or highlight a significant price level, just so you have something visible on your chart. This isn't strictly necessary if you already have drawings on your chart, but it can be helpful to see what's happening as you practice. Here, the key part, down at the very bottom of your TradingView screen, you'll notice a little toolbar. What we're looking for here is the eye icon. This icon might seem a bit subtle at first, but it's incredibly useful. Clicking on this eye icon brings up the option to hide or show different elements on your chart. Sometimes we focus so much on the price that we don't realize just how crowded things have gotten. So think of the eye icon like a light switch for your drawings. With just one click, you can instantly clear the visual clutter. After you click the eye icon, you'll see an option that says Hide All Drawings. Go ahead and click this. Instantly, all those lines and shapes you drew earlier will vanish from the chart view, giving you a clean slate. Maybe you want to reset your perspective, present your chart to someone else, or just take a step back to see the bigger picture. This is the simplest way to do it, and don't worry, hiding doesn't delete anything. All your drawings are still there, just temporarily tucked away out of sight. Now, let's say you want to bring everything back, maybe to review your earlier analysis or continue working. All you have to do is repeat those same steps. Just head back down to the eye icon at the bottom and click it again. Select Unhide All Drawings, and just like that, your marks and notes will reappear on your chart exactly as you left them. It's super handy and really lets you switch between a clutter-free chart and your detailed analysis whenever you want. And that's all there is to it. TradingView makes it really easy to control the visibility of your drawings so you can keep your charts clear and focused anytime you need. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or tips of your own about using TradingView, drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.